Look, this is dielectric strength test of insulating oil testing kit, and today I will show you how to perform this experiment. This is our oil chamber, and that is a voltmeter, high voltage voltmeter, and this is variac, and this is keys. This is main switch. This is main switch, and this is power. This green button is power button, and this is off button. This is HT on, and this is HT off, and this is the memory button. So now we will open this chamber and just remove the oil container. We will pour it with transformer oil. This is bought earlier for this experiment. I have poured this oil in this container by this mark, and as you showing, there is two electrodes, and gap between those two electrodes is 4 mm. Then we will put it in this oil chamber. Now this is a oil testing kit, and we will test its dielectric strength of this insulating oil. This oil is used in transformer, various transformer for cooling, cooling purpose and separation purpose of transformer body and the transformer coil. So it produces a dielectric strength that help to it produce a dielectric strength that opposed to the conduction of electrons between the coil and transformer body, and that this oil also used for Buchholz relay operation. So there is two electrodes, and gap between those two electrodes is 4 mm. Now we will shut this chamber and power on. This is the HT button. We will press it. This will be in 0 position, and we will press this. Then it is on, and then we will gradually increase the voltage of these two electrodes. The increase of voltage will be 2 kV per second rate, that is, slowly increase the voltage of this. Now we will gradually increase the applied voltage of those two electrodes, and it will be just trip, and then for by pressing this memory we can get the actual voltage, breakdown voltage, that is 34 kV. That is 34 kV. Then we will write this data in our data sheet, and just off this variac and off this main switch. Just gradually increase it as 2 kV per second rate. And for this voltage we will increase it up to 60 kV, and that has been flashed, and MCB is stripped. So by pressing this memory you can get the voltage of breakdown voltage of this insulating oil, that is 53 or 54 volt kilovolt. So now I am repeat this experiment for my second reading. I have switched on it, that is HT on, and I have switched on it and gradually increasing the supply voltage in kV. This is increasing voltage. This is increasing voltage. This has been tripped. So this is the memory, and this is our second reading, that also 52 kV kilovolt. Now I will off this variac and switch off this instrument. So you can perform this experiment. You have to take this reading in 6 times, and then you have to get an average of last 5 readings. That is, first reading will not be assumed, because this is the ideal position of transformer oil. It was cooled, so we can't take the first reading. Then the next 5 reading will be averaged, and we can get the insulation or dielectric strength of this insulating oil. Okay, thank you. After completing this experiment, you have to switch off this main switch and power switch off, and open this plug from power cord from this board, and open this chamber and bring out this oil chamber from this machine, and just pour this oil in this container, by which you make sure that oil will not be drain out from this chamber, and if it will drain out, the this machine will be this oil will be drained out from this oil chamber, and oil will be wasted. So you have to open this container and just take out this oil from this container to this container. Okay, thank you.